Why on earth would I pay $6.99 for a birthday card when I can spend $350 on a class and supplies and make my own? I trust you're rolling your eyes, giggling, or having a yikes moment. We've all been there. I couldn't justify paying $10 for a simple wooden birdhouse to practice decorative painting on. So instead I went out and bought a scroll saw and a table saw, and at the time it made perfect sense. The most common fear in giving this stuff up: what if I want to do it again? What if I'm not done with knitting, quilting, painting, or scrapbooking? Then there's the shame, guilt, and embarrassment, mostly internal, but sometimes imposed, of all the time and money you spent on craft supplies. And now you want to give it away? Are you crazy? So what do we do with hundreds or thousands of dollars of craft and hobby supplies? Read the captions for more details, but as with any challenge, you have 3 options: change it, accept it, or leave it. So change the situation, maybe repackage and keep only what truly makes you happy still. Accept it, dive back into some of these creative outlets and see what still interests you, then go back to number 1. Or leave it, give it all away, or sell it. This is a tough one, and it's one of the reasons I created Downsizing for a Better Life, to help deal with this and all aspects of downsizing. So comment below the word knit or the knitting emoji, and I'll send you the free workbook. You have to start somewhere, and here you are not alone.